What's going on, guys? Dragon Gaming here. Welcome back. We're finally back on Gary's mod. It's been a while. My computers had to be switched because the previous one broke. And now I have a new one. Stream instead of Scarlet Red. This stream is in royal blue color. It's a pretty nice color. We're currently on our tornado map. For Gary's mod, I'm going to be doing some tornado survival. Hold on. Well, maybe. I don't know. Kind of like thinking about storm chasing and stuff. Let's go through the portal. Wow, we're here. County. I'm currently using a model that kind of fits for my channel. It's a dragon. I do not have it on wings right now. I don't like them with wings. Kind of like them like an anthropolo, but more human-like, but yet dragon-like combinations. The tail, horns, everything. Anyways, we do have a duplicate that does. Yep, here we go. Well, there's one of them. This is the Dominator 2. I don't know the creator. It kind of does have a kind of change up compared to this one. This one's the D1, Dominator 1, and the Dominator 2. Things kind of change between the two. They're both pretty good. Tornado intercept vehicles. I don't have the D3. I don't know why that's kind of messed up on the side, but it's okay. Something doesn't really look right. So I guess we'll try to find a gas station for a minute. Here we are. Pull in here. This is a junkie gas station. Wait, no. Oh shoot, in the roof. Might have put me up here. Okay, I'll just jump down. Okay. Go to the side. Close that. And, well, for a supermarket, there's nothing in here. Just computers and the counters. Cheap place. Don't need stuff. I'll just pay for gas. Stay here for a bit until tornadoes come. Let's kind of back out of that. Get over to a certain area. There we go. No tornadoes have touched down just yet today. We should hopefully have some pretty soon. Oh, there's a siren right here. It's gonna be a pretty loud one. Let me turn my mic. No, not my mic. I can turn my headset down so it's not too loud. That's good. Right there. Okay. Okay, I just don't want to get blared. Okay. So we're gonna go out. Look for tornadoes. Just about to finish it up. Ow! Okay, that's the end of the map. I should make these like a giant tornado maps. I think this is like the weather station. Recent alerts, National Weather Service issued a tornado warning. National Weather Service, Dallas Fort Worth, Texas, issued a tornado warning for the following counties, effective until 16:30 CT. So the storm above us just went tornado warning. Question is, it does drop it. Ooh, dropped it, dropped it. Went back. Okay, after that, we get sucked up. Better. Now, this thing. It looks like. Pretty. Good. Shifted again. This area. It's pretty large. Get out for a second. Snap some pics. Got it. Nice pics. First tornado ever shot on camera on this computer. Nice. Ooh. Oh, dissipated. Conditioning it. Get the truck vehicle off the ground. Let we go. Back into the oh, excuse me, hiccup. Back into the dom. We can go back this way. Nothing got affected though. Just click the tornado and anything. It's pretty safe one. Everyone can hopefully get underground. Okay, I think this is the storm base area. Field of operations. There we go. Base of operation. Well, apparently the tornado was strong enough to start dragging a few things out of place in this area. Second, strong enough to drag. Sky is still gray, pretty stormy. Who knows if another one will drop though? It might. Who knows? Have to wait and see. I hate the glitch with that side thing. It's kind of broken. Was that even base operation? It's just a build in the middle of nowhere. So there's the houses. Go this way. The hum's pretty loud. It's hard to hear me. Sorry, you can't hear me. Trailer park. Right. Should go somewhere. Weather station. Oh no. Back to the gas station to sit it out. What the? It's just a little empty room? That's weird. I have to say, good map makers with all the stuff that they can use. Everything's actual normal gmod props. Monitor everything be picked up or moved. Kind of making it so that tornadoes can easily pick them up. Okay. Go. Gas pumps are kind of wonky here. There's not even a hose. Well, it's the props they give in gmod. Siren again. Might get the second and final tornado of the day. Good. Trace it up down. The last one. This is a continued map session. Like I get the heck out of here. Drop the dom down, hopefully it will hold. Where's it gonna drop for this one here? Radiator fan kicks on. I'm gonna take a pic of the dome. Keep an eye out for any tornadoes, any circulation, and then I'm going in. Oh, cloud rotation. Cloud rotation. Might have it right here. There it is. There it is. See it? I see it. I gotta go that way. See it coming down. See if it's on the ground. So another EF3. Or is that an EF1? Looks like a 1. Oh, it's a 1. This is kind of a smaller one. Oh, it's gonna hit the house. It's gonna hit that house. Oh, gosh. Oh, that took that house. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. I can't intercept it right here. It's too fast. Down here a bit. Okay. Should be cut down this way. Okay. Cut it out. I'm in a pretty bad spot to do this. Just right here. No, it's gonna hit that station. Oh, listen to it. Oh gosh, it did hit the station head on. Really hard. Silent systems destroyed. Silence are gone. Shoot. We won't know when another one touches, though. That's a bad thing. Because that's the silent station. This storm just destroyed our station. Silence. You're gonna get warnings. Dissipated. Lovely. Okay. That's the last tornado for today. The sky was clearing up after that. Well, I think we did it. Well guys, thank you so much for watching my first video for a long time I haven't been on because gmod hasn't been able to go. My previous RCA, the one I've been using, is kind of junk, so it doesn't really work so good. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope very soon. Be back shortly with it. Yeah, guys. So we'll hopefully be back with some more Gary's Mod after a while. Just for now, I'm gonna be stuck around chasing storms. It's a pretty nice map. I like it actually a lot. It's not running too chunky for this little computer, because it's not a gaming computer entirely, but it does fine. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys again next time.